Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. Maybe
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday and I just finished washing my hair. I'm still contemplating. I want to do a slick back ponytail. And I'll be right back. I don't know whether I should just film it for you guys to see. Should I film it? Do you guys want to see? Should I? Guys, you guys, do you know that this acne was actually disappearing? Just for me to wake up yesterday to see fresh ones. Can you guys imagine? I'm tired. Yes, I know you guys will just say move your mind from it to just disappear. But guys, this is my face. If I bring up a camera, if I bring up a mirror, anything I bring up, just like, I don't know. But that's by the way. I'll go ahead to do my hair because tomorrow I want to be going to the market to get things for DK. Clothes, shoes, outfits, a baby walker, and any other cute thing I find in markets. Yeah, so I don't want to wake up and start doing my hair or something, so I just want to do it today, then tomorrow. I want to leave this house very early, as early as maybe 10 or 9, so that I'll come back early, yeah. So let's just jump right into it. You guys see my front hair is almost full. So I'm going to be using Styler gel. I used to do layer by layer. I used to do layer by layer. You guys, I'll be right back.
네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 yeah. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면 다시 사랑할 수 없을 것 같아. 그날의 나는 내게 너무 낯설었겠지. 내 맘과 다르게 너에게 상처를 줬으니 사랑한다는 말로도 부족했던 너에게 내가 너무 잘못한 것 같아. 너와 나의 다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어. 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어.
Hey guys, so I'm ready to leave the house to the market. And this guy, hello, hi, I'm going to leave you today. I'm going away from you and your troubles. Mwah. So this is the result of our. Now allow me talk. So this is the result of the slick down whatever. See that space. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Yeah, say hi to my subscribers. This guy has refused to be showing his face in my channel. You guys should talk to this man. I'm not me feel like whether it's $80 or what. I be done with it.
Say don't jazz. Nigga.
See my fine baby.
Hello?
Hey guys. This is like the next day after that I went to the market and I bought a bunch of stuffs. But if you know trade fair, actually, yeah, if you know trade fair, you know that bikes, tricycle, keke and peps, they do not walk inside the market. You have to use your legs to trek till you reach the place you're going to, and trek back to the place that you find bike or keke and go back to wherever you're going to. So I didn't have strength to actually give water. I'm tired of it. So when I got back pretty late, and I left this house very, very late too. I left around 11 and I got back around 2-3. So I'm just going to show you guys. So you guys, these are the clothes I got for the kid. My sister insisted that she's going to spread it like this on this bed for you guys to see. So this is a shirt and a trouser. I actually got these ones differently. This pair of jeans here. This one has something, this strap at the back, and it's really, really nice. Not as if I don't know, but then this one and this one, and this cute mini shirt is really, really nice. So I just picked it. Then this one came with this pair of shorts, yeah, together. And this one, I'm going to be taking his pictures next week. Portraits. The picture I'm going to be hanging in the sitting room. So he's going to be wearing one of these clothes. I might actually do a lot of pictures for him, of him actually. And this cute one comes together with this little shorts. This is like a short. Actually, you guys might think that these clothes are too big, but DK is actually tall. So sometimes when I think that the clothes don't enter and you wear the clothes on him, bam, it will enter. Then these are onesies from 9 months up for staying at home, you know. Then for staying at home. Then I got these cute sandals for him. It's very, very, very strong, and I like the quality. That's why I got it for him. Then I got these cute night wears. Guys, when I saw this, I just jumped on it. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice. I loved it. Like, I didn't even bother getting overalls anymore. Yeah. So this and this. They're so cute. This one is actually, I really want this one. It's very, very tight, you guys. Very, very tight. So these ones are bigger than this one. So I think that this one big is going to fit in perfectly. So that's all I got for him. Bunch of clothes. I got this mannequin stand for my wig, you know. Do you know I actually got this very, very cheap. I got this for 4K actually. I got this stand for 4K. I went to the shop where they sell wholesale price actually. Maybe that's why I got it for that price. I got this for 4K. And this tripod, I got this on Jumia, something like this, for filming and all. And guys, it was very, 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 very expensive. in Jumia, but this quality is even stronger than the one I have in school, because that one is in school. It's even stronger than the one I have in school. Things paining me. Anyways, that aside, this worker for DK, I've always wanted to get this for him, so at least somebody can be resting from carrying him. It's very, very heavy these days. So Lucy will just woke up. Hi. How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? So guys, today is Thursday and we are making rice and ofaku. I've been craving this for the longest time, you guys. I've been craving it for the longest time, and we're going to be having it today. I want to just to guys about something, but yeah, I'm going to just you guys, you know. If I don't just you guys, who will? So, are you guys following Joro Olofumi on Instagram? That page is very, very scary if you're still single. Things are happening in this life because I can't even gist you guys enough. Like, I can't even talk about it enough because it's very, very bad. Like, things are happening. Whenever I read, sometimes I even see his post, I just jump the post. I've been anyways, let me take the key for a ride on his. Hey baby, hey baby, hey, hi. For the first time actually this Lagos, I entered a Danfo. Since I came to this Lagos, I've never ever used a Danfo. If you don't know what Danfo is, this Lagos bus, abi. That's what I don't know, but that's what Danfo bus. I entered it to trade fair for the first time. So when you get to the under the bridge, you now enter bike that will take you to the market. You guys, do you know that this bike man, actually, I entered the bike. This bike man was just waiting for another person to come and enter my back. Like, we have to be two in this era of this era of this virus. Hey Jesus, people are not taking this thing serious. So I swear, like, people are not taking this thing serious. Like, I was like, this guy, like, do you even know what's going on in this world? He said, does it exist? Does it really exist? Ignorance is bad. Ojoka. Anyways, that's me just the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys, subscribe.